name is Hazem. I'm the founder and CEO of TransformologyXR. TransformologyXR provides real estate companies with interactive digital twins that helps them sell and market their properties. We provide you with an interactive digital twin that can be hosted on your website, can be shared with your clients over URL so they can view it on their mobile device, laptops, and VR headset. With our solution, the customer can start by exploring the city context, see any amenities, education, for example, leisure, transportation route close by to the site. Then they can do an interactive search. This search is integrated with the developer CRM, so if anything gets sold, it's marked as such. The customer can decide this is my budget, and then they can see any properties that matches their search criteria. They can here see information about the plot, media galleries, information. We've got an interactive map that allows them to drop into the site in a street view, allows them to explore the area. They can change the time of day, for example, to see if the property has a nice view during sunset, during sunrise. They can also go inside the plot. If the developer allows them to change the material, for example, offer different material finishes, the customer can go inside the property, explore every room, and then customize the material finishes. Our solutions also extend into city models, where we can model entire cities. We've got a model of the Dubai city, we've got Dubai Creek Harbour, Dubai Downtown, Dubai Marina. The customer can explore the different amenities. They can go into areas that are still being developed, so for our properties, where they can explore the different amenities, the different parks, the different areas of the development.